compassionate and the most merciful. Dear viewers, Assalamu alaikum. My name is Fajr. I read in class 3. I am from Muslim Angel School System, situated in Amiruddin Park, Lahore, Kent. The topic of my presentation is Abdul Sattar Eidhi, the national hero of Pakistan. Abdul Sattar Eidhi is one of the famous and noble personalities in Pakistan and in all over the world. Abdul Sattar Eidhi was born on 1st January 1928 in a little town of India. His mother was died on his age of 19 with a serious problem of brain. When Pakistan came out in the map of world in 14 August 1947, then Abdul Sattar Eidhi migrated with his family toward Pakistan. Abdul Sattar Eidhi was honored with many awards like Silver Jubilee Shield, Social Worker of the Subcontinent, Nishan-e-Imtiyaz, Pakistan Civic Award, and Shield of Honor by the Pakistan Army, Khidmat Award, Human Award, and recently former Prime Minister of Pakistan, Syed Yusuf Raza Gilani, honored him with Nobel Peace Prize. Thank you.